Kennesaw, fog was reported.
Number 38, effective until 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia.
10 to 15 miles an hour.
Remember,
Fuel routes to 1 miles an hour.
are favorable for
Friday night, mostly cloudy.
including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Flood and current vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize.
Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned for more weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Lows in the upper 30s. Monday and Monday night, mostly clear.
The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were taken at 11 p.m. 57 degrees.
Chance of showers.
How did you even...
Highs in the upper 60s. Lows around 50.
At 7 miles an hour. Pressure was
Oh.
49.93 inches and rising.
You have
Around Atlanta.
an alert reminder.
55 degrees.
Oh God, you're loud.
Miles an hour.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, Catoosa County in northwestern Georgia, Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, Dade County in northwestern Georgia, Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Murray County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, Walker County in northwestern Georgia, Whitfield County in northwestern Georgia, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen, with already saturated soils. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rome, Dalton, Cartersville, Calhoun, Cedartown, Lafayette, Somerville, Chatsworth, Ringgold, Trenton, Fort Oglethorpe, Adelsville, Early, Chickamauga, Tryon, Varnell, Lookout Mountain, Aragon, Cave Spring, and Eaton. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of...
We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. The Levi Call Georgia Amber Alert. The DeKalb County Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigations are looking for a burgundy 2010 Nissan SUV with Georgia tag number RWW4748. On March the 18th, 2021, Royalty Glimsey, a 1.5-month-old black female, was abducted by an unknown person and was last seen at 1207 Harvestdale Court in Stone Mountain, Georgia, and is still believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any whereabouts of Royal Grimsey or the burgundy 2010 Nissan SUV with Georgia tag number RWW4748, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the C-Scene app for iPhone and Android users.
That came out of literal nowhere after I got that